Shark in the park on a windy day. It's a wild, windy day, and a certain small boy is out with his dad.
Two snails.
Two snails, yes. And his favorite toy.
Two snails and one airplane.
Timothy Pope tries looking through his telescope. The wind blows his scarf. The wind blows his hair. He's blown this way and that way. But Tim doesn't care, because this is what he sees. Tim knows that shape, and he knows what to do. He shouts,
"There's a shark in the park!"
Can you shout that out too?
Yeah, shark in the park.
Yes.
That's a part of the umbrellas cricket.
What is it, Mina?
An umbrella.
An umbrella.
Where?
There. It isn't a
porcupine.
shark that Timothy sees. It's a big black umbrella caught up in the breeze.
And a porcupine.
Yeah, I see that too. Eek!
Eek. Autumn leaves.
Yes. Yes. They're pretty.
Mm.
Timothy Pope looks again through his telescope. The wind blows his scarf, the wind blows his hair. He's blown this way and that way, but Tim doesn't care, because this is what he sees. Oh, dear me. Tim's got no choice. He shouts,
Shark in the park.
At the top of his voice.
It's just a dog. It's just a dog out with his tail.
His dog's tail, yes. What a relief. It isn't a shark. It's a big friendly dog with a big friendly bark.
Woof, 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 woof.
Timothy Pope has one last look through his telescope. The wind blows his scarf. The wind blows his hair. He's blown this way and that way. But Tim doesn't care, because this is what he sees. Timothy does what he knows he must. He shouts,
There's a shark
in the park.
Shark in the park. It's just a part of the buggy's canopy.
Yes, the buggy's canopy. Let's check. Da-da-da. It isn't a shark that Timothy spied. It's a runaway pram with a baby inside. Help! And it's heading for the pond. Oh no! But Tim's dad runs fast. He grabs hold of the
How
pram.
about this?
Yes. Phew. The mother says, "Thank you. How grateful I am." "Really," says Tim's dad, "you ought to thank Tim. He spotted your pram, so it's all down to him." "That was exciting," says Tim. "By the way, it's a good job there weren't any sharks here today."
Look.
Quack. Oh,
I
yes.
saw a butcher.
The end.
Tim.